Oh wow, that's. Can a water balloon endure a hammer impact without popping? No! Well, let's check it out because it's slow-mo time. Okay, first take. I'm not gonna hit it too hard, but just enough. Alright guys, second take, but a little bit more harder. You can see that the balloon is able to endure it. So let's see if we can do it harder. Alright. Oh, snap. Oh! Oh, snap. You can drink water. See guys, it didn't really pop because of the hammer, but I think it popped because of the impact from the ground. See how it's peeing on both sides. Alright guys, so what happened was that, of course, the other balloon popped, and this is the backup. So this time I'm just gonna hit it as hard as I can this way and see what the results are, okay? Oh wow, that's. Oh wow, that's. Where's the balloon? I need to go get the balloon.